All right, folks, this is our next installment of the Lowe's Death Cubes. So let me see if I can do this without the crazy shadows because the sun's in a weird spot. So just wanted to come and show you where we at work. Excuse me. This is a spot right here. All of the ones that say March 8th on them are where I planted them. I don't really see anything in this spot right here. Let me get down low. Yeah, I don't really see anything with my own two eyes. So that one is either dead or it just hasn't popped back up yet. So let's move along to the next one, which is this one. And as you can see, we got a little action right there. Got a little action. And then there's one right behind it. I don't really see anything, but that we're not gonna count them out because it's still cold here, so they haven't really resumed like active growth yet. Then we're gonna move over here. This is one. Got a little bit of action. That's it right there. And we come back here. This was one of the bigger ones. It's got some new growth coming in right up out of the middle. You can see right there. Let me see where I want to go next. So here's one right here. That's a sundew right there, but no Venus flytrap as of right now. I've got one back here. I don't really see anything yet. Okay, I'm gonna come back to the front of the bog. There's one. I can see a little something right there. And then we're gonna move over. Same thing here. That's a little something. And this is normal. This is what the flow looks like when you're trying to bring them back. Don't really see anything there, and I've just been cleaning those spots off, making sure stuff's not blocking it from coming up or getting any light. And then here's another spot, nothing yet. So so far we have some coming up, some haven't done much of anything. But even my established Venus flytraps haven't started growing or anything yet. Uh-oh, I'm in the shadow. So we have one planted right around here, and there's this big pillow of moss. Don't really see anything yet. And then we have this one here, where all of the old leaves have died back. And that's about the middle of the plant. Just hasn't started growing yet. So it's still early. They've only been out here for a month. This process usually takes 6 to 8 weeks. We're gonna move over to the other side. We already looked at that spot. Here's the next one. Don't really have anything as of right now. There's another 3/8. Same story. Same right there. Don't really see much of anything. But then we move over here. Boom, he's coming up. And the first couple traps will be small, they'll be wimpy, but then as the season progresses, they'll start putting out big traps. These things are getting 12 hours of sunlight a day. Same here, I don't really see them. I don't even see where it was where I planted it, which is okay, because it'll come back up. I still have faith. And then last but not least, there's the last spot right there. Same deal there. It's nothing right there. So yeah, that's just a quick update of the Venus flytraps. As you can see, we finally have pictures coming up and all that good stuff now. Got some action. Tatnall County, perp right there. It's finally getting its color back. The Oreophila that we dug up a couple weeks ago, it's got a big trap coming. It's actually got 5 total traps coming. Reptilian rose right beside it. Can't even see it. Let's move. There we go. So there's the Oreo. It's got 5 traps coming. Reptilian rose right there. A big fluffy bed of moss. It's got a couple. Leucophylla tarnot. It's got 2 coming. Nothing on Dana's Delight yet. We got an antho-free Alata. Got a trap or 2 coming. Hurricane Creek White Clone F. It's got a little something coming. Flava rubicapora. It's got a little something coming. This is a plant that I have no clue what it is, but it's very nice. It gives really dark pictures. It's got a flower and a trap coming. Flava ornata from Steve Gaelic. Somebody just correct that. Let me know how to pronounce my man's last name correctly. Doreen's Colossus. It's got a couple traps coming. I'm expecting big things out of a plant with the word Colossus in his name. This is the Wilkerson's Red Rocket that we planted, what, last week? This thing's getting huge. You see, we got a little progress coming finally. We had some cold that came through and burnt off all of the early pictures. I'll show you one right here. This is another plant that I got from Steve. I don't think you can see it on camera, but this picture right here, the top of it was cold, was frost damaged. I don't think you can really see it. There's the Flava Rugelii that I got from Rob. Adrian Slack's throwing a picture. Leah Wilkerson's throwing 2 pictures. Well, one of the Leah Wilkerson pictures was frost damaged as well. Look like some Phyllodia coming up and a couple traps on this Alata. Rubra, it's got a flower and a couple traps coming up. So yeah, man, got some good things working. Can't wait to see what the bog does for us this season. Excuse the neighbor's dogs back there. They're usually pretty angry. Man, like, share, subscribe. I appreciate everybody watching. I'll see you next time.